Harmattan is coming. And when I say it's coming, it is coming. And your lips will be looking white all day. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name is The Real Nene, and if you are just joining me and seeing my pretty face for the first time, you're welcome, you're welcome. And on my channel, we talk about lifestyle, beauty, self-development, and every little thing in between. Please stay tuned, subscribe, like, and comment on all the videos on the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real G. Thank you so much. On today's video, we're going to be talking about how to maintain a glowing, moisturized skin during this dry, humid Harmattan season. If you're not from Nigeria, you wouldn't know that in Nigeria we do not have like winter and summer like other countries do. We have dry season, we have the rainy season, and we have Harmattan. Harmattan is when the wind is very dry and you see people walking about with ashy elbows, ashy underarms, ashy everywhere, ashy. And baby girl, you don't want to be caught outside looking ashy. So I'm going to be giving you all my tips on how I look this good, even in the Harmattan season. First things first, skincare starts in the shower. And whatever you do, always have it at the back of your mind when taking your bath that, oh, my goal for today is to be moisturized and stay hydrated all through this Harmattan season. So what I'd advise is, number one, do not bathe with hot water, because hot water removes, strips your skin of natural oils and dries your skin faster. So make sure that you're taking your bath with lukewarm water. And sometimes it is also advisable that you put in some body oils in your water. There is this Neutrogena body oil. I'm going to leave a picture somewhere here. The oil is amazing. So just a few drops in your bath water would make your skin hydrated and moisturized all day long. I say point two. Number two, exfoliate your skin. The Harmattan season comes with a lot of dust, a lot of dryness, a lot of a lot of things that are very unhealthy for our skin. And I don't know, for those of you who are going to be outside during this period, your skin is going to your pores are going to be clogged with dust. So make sure that you exfoliate your skin at least twice in a week, at least twice a week. And for me, for exfoliation, I use this exfoliating sponge. This is really old and it's already soft, so it's very good for this season. So I use this exfoliating sponge in the shower with my shower gel just to remove dirt. And some other times I use my sugar scrub. I use my Dr. Teal's sugar scrub. This one is black elderberry and essential oil. So the sugar of this scrub is not harsh. It's actually very mild, and it's very good for your skin, because your skin actually doesn't need anything that is too harsh this period, because it is very easy to have bruises, very easy to have very painful scratches this period. So you don't need anything that is very harsh on your skin. Three, make sure that you're using a very good moisturizing lotion. See, this is very important, because I'm not sure that you want to be caught looking ashy on the streets, or you don't want to be caught with an ashy elbow or ashy underarm. You can see my elbow. I would recommend you use no, not Neutrogena, Nivea's deep moisturizing lotion. This cream, if you rub it, your body will be shining all day long. So it is this particular blue one. This blue one is two. Make sure that you are buying the one that is written rich, nourishing, 48 hours, because this is very good, and it is with deep moisture serum. This cream is very good for the Harmattan season, and the consistency is this way. You can see how it is. And some people, I don't know, I've heard some people say that the blue Nivea is for dark skin, or the blue Nivea is this, is for men or that. My dear, this particular one, I have been using it for a while now, and it is very good. Look at my skin. And my skin stays this way almost all day. I promise you. It stays very, very moisturized and hydrated. I would also advise that you can use body oils. Some people use Neutrogena body oil. Some people use there's this Vaseline deep something lotion. I'll put the picture somewhere here. That lotion, that oil is also very, very good for this season. Alternatively, I also use this carrot glow oil. So this is my second bottle. And what I do is I mix it in my Nivea lotion because me, I want to be glowing. I want to be glowing. So I put sometimes I mix it with my Nivea lotion when I'm rubbing it on my body. Another deep moisturizer that I would advise that you use is Ori. That is shea butter. So for me, I mix my shea butter, I make it whipped and make it into a body butter instead. But it's finished. So I can't be using it now. I would rather use regular Ori. I really don't like to use regular Ori because it is very thick and I like it when it is buttery, and when I whip it in that form, that's the best way for me personally to use it. So I really don't use. Point number four, when you come out of the shower, try to put your moisturizer on a damp skin, not on a fully dried body. And I'm not saying not on your wet body, because I've realized that when I put my moisturizer on my skin that is not fully dried, my skin tends to absorb the moisture in the cream, in the lotion faster, and my skin stays moisturized all day. So um, ensure that you have your lotion on your body that is not fully dry. Point number five, drink water. Hydration and a moisturized skin starts from within. So make sure that you're drinking water all the time. This season is very dry, very humid, and people can get dehydrated. And again, a hydrated skin starts from inside. So make sure that you are drinking water always so that your skin can shine from inside. My mom will always say, your skin will shine from what you put in your mouth. So make sure you're drinking water always. Point six, swap products that are stripping or non-hydrating for products that are hydrating. What I mean in your regular skincare routine that you have all year round, during this season, make sure to incorporate skincare products that are nourishing, moisturizing, hydrating. Swap your moisturizers for the ones that are hydrating. Swap your toners. Swap your alcoholic toners to non-alcoholic toners so that they don't strip your skin of natural oils. Swap your what else? Swap your facial cleansers to mild facial cleansers like the Dove Beauty Bar. That is very, very mild and it's good for the face. I don't even know what people say about Dove Beauty Bar, but it is very good. It is the only bar soap that I can recommend to be used on your face. So you can swap all of those your complex skincare um products that are most likely to strip your skin of hydration or of moisture for the ones that will retain moisture on your skin. Last but not least, wear your lip gloss. Lip gloss is very, very important this season. Not even chapstick. Chapsticks don't really do a lot because I don't know where you are, but where I am presently in Lagos, Nigeria, the Harmattan is coming. And when I say it's coming, it is coming. And your lips will be looking white all day or chapped. And I'm sure we don't want our lips to be chapped because sometimes it gets bruised and it's very, very hurtful. So please always apply lip gloss, always have lip gloss with you everywhere you go. Thank you very much for watching. Please do remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment in the comments down below what you're going to be adding to your skincare routine or anything that you have learned from this video that you're going to be incorporating into your skincare routine this season. And remember, share this video with your friends, share on Instagram, share on WhatsApp, share it with everybody that you know, just so that we can all stay moisturized and hydrated this season. Thank you.